Will Zoom know if you're using a virtual background? So in here you can see I'm currently on my meeting. If you want to use your virtual background, simply tap on your screen, then you can see more, tap on that one, then tap on settings, then after doing that tap on videos and effects, right? So after doing that your video will be opened, and in here if you tap on backgrounds you'll be able to use your virtual background. Simply tap on any of the virtual background you want, just like this, and in here you can see it is not quite accurate, so anyone would obviously tell that you're using a virtual background. You can simply set that, simply tap on the cross option right here, and now whenever you start your video just like this, your virtual background will be turned on, right? So in here not only Zoom but anyone who is currently participated on your meeting will be able to tell that this is actually a virtual background. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.